This time I'm going to show you the same species of beetles that lays eggs under the leaves of the binunga tree. This is the binunga tree, and many of these beetle species, similar species that lays eggs due to their fertility. Look at that whitish color that she covered. That these are the eggs. We'll find another one. This is another. That is another one that lays eggs. Look at that pattern of the eggs. It looks like a honey bee comb. But that is the small eggs of this beetle.